Hey, what's up YouTube? Texas Triple Tapper here, down at the local gun range. Got myself a HK 45 with a suppressor. We're gonna see what we can do. Not too bad, and as you can tell, it wasn't too loud with this can on it. I would recommend, however, putting some higher sights on it. This front sight post gets a little bit obscured by this type of suppressor, and from what I understand, these type are not really supposed to do that, but I didn't really get the greatest sight picture with these particular sights. Other than that, I think it's pretty sweet. Triple Tapper, out.